In this video, I'll show you how to connect and use a USB flash drive on your Windows PC or laptop. First, connect your USB flash drive to an available USB port on your computer. Once it's connected, your computer will automatically detect the USB flash drive. Next, open File Explorer from the taskbar. Under Devices and Drives, you'll see your USB flash drive. Double-click the USB drive to open it and view the files and folders stored on it. To copy files from the USB drive to your computer, select the files, right-click them, and choose Copy. Then, open the folder where you want to save the files, right-click inside the folder, and select Paste. That's it. This is how you can connect and use a USB flash drive on your Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.